Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 16th, and this is my PM recap for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyway, it's definitely a very counter trend day on gold. I mean, the trend is up still on every single higher time frame. For me, if it breaks this low right here, then that means that the daily is probably going to close engulfing down. And if that happens, I definitely will start looking for sells starting tomorrow. But we do still have to keep an eye out for a possible higher low or something like that. But really, at this point, I would probably want to see a break of structure to the upside. Or if I don't see that break of structure to the upside, I would actually still be recommending shorts on shorter than the 1 hour time frame. Definitely looked like prices were respecting the 50% today. Then it dropped down to the 78%. Looked like it was respecting that. But in hindsight, you can definitely see that it's lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high on the 1 hour time frame. So if you are trading the very short time frames, then you should be looking for shorts at least until you get a break to the upside on the 1 hour time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.